Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Big day today, absolutely fantastic news. I've got some great news for you. Been doing some research during the night, and I've got some great news about Bitcoin. Where it's going, where it's been, why it's doing what it does, learning more about it. Absolutely fantastic. So let's get straight into it. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the Day Trader. I trade live every morning and every evening, live with you here with my real money. Everything you see here is genuine. I'm not hyping anything or dramatizing anything at all. And I'm also sharing my real money as it happens live. My real savings, my only savings here in the bank that I've invested on the stock market in Bitcoin and in stocks and shares for real, and you can actually see it live. Okay, let's go over to it right now. Here's my portfolio. If it's your very first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell, and that way you'll be notified about upcoming events. We are going to have some impromptu events that you will miss unless you ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Helps us grow on YouTube. We really appreciate it. All right, let's have a look at it. Where are we right this morning? Let's get straight into it. The title of this video is Bitcoin Crash. Why? I know why. I found out. I'm going to share it with you. So here is Bitcoin right now. That's my position live right now. And here is my portfolio. 47,674, up 0.64% this morning. There we go. Amazon is up. I want to jump straight into, though, some breaking news with Lucid. I'm trying to get in this market, and we are up 3% this morning. I'm really thinking that this is going to be another great day for Lucid. So I'm going to get back in the market for Lucid, I think. Now let's look in my buying power. I've already prepared it. I have $700 available, so let's have a look. Let's go into Lucid and let's have a look. So we were looking to buy some shares. So if I go shares and I go 20, 30, 25, okay, and review order, set limit price 28, allow. So if I set to $28, review order, buy, there we go. I've got to now get a text. There's extra security. Let me just come off the screen a minute. Done. Okay, there we go. Back to that screen again. There we go. Let's have a look. Let's see if I've managed to buy any shares of Lucid. There we go. I have. Decided to get back in the market, did some research overnight. Lucid, big news here. Yes, indeed. Grabs the comfy chair and is in. Martin Redding, I'm back in Lucid. Of course, we've missed a huge growth opportunity. As you can see, this week we've had a growth of 43%. But looking at it, I see it continuing. So I wanted to get in on it. So I've just bought 26 shares. I've used my buying power to jump in on this. Let's see what happens. There we go. Did some research overnight. And also, good morning, everybody. All right, we're up to 9 likes now. This is fantastic. Let's get straight into the morning. We've got a big day this morning. A lot going on. I wasn't going to touch my buying power, but I decided that there's a real growth opportunity right now for Lucid. So there we go. I've decided to jump on in with Lucid this morning, and we shall see if it was right to do so. Right, Bitcoin, as you can see, is up today, 0.74. I can tell you why this has happened, why Bitcoin dropped, why it's going up again. Oh, look at this. What a great day. I'm up now 0.7%. This is good. This is good. Let's have a look at the stocks. Did you check out the social media sites? Yes, I did. And I've saved it in one of my... I bookmarked it. I tried to sign on and create an account with a couple of Chinese social medias, but it wouldn't let me. I'm sure it's not going to be straightforward. Yep, Lucid is up 16% today on Lucid, not 16% today. Yeah, it's on fire right now. Lucid is doing great. So I've decided to get in. Good morning to everybody. We've got 10 now in the house, 10 likes. All right, let's subscribe. Losing my words here. Give us a thumbs up. That's what I meant to say. All right, fantastic. Yes, Lucid there, up 3.39%. I'm now up 1% on my investment at the moment. We shall see what happens throughout the morning. Amazon is up 0.34% today. Johnson & Johnson up 0.49. Tesla up 0.63. Facebook up 0.54. Apple up 0.56. This is great. Coke up 0.5. AT&T up 0.45. Get a VPN. Yeah, I've got a VPN. That shouldn't be the issue though. It was to do with my email address, but I will try again. But you're right there. When I set it up, maybe I should use the VPN. That's a good point, Bill. I do have one, but I wasn't using it at the time. But maybe I should to set the account up. But yeah, I was trying to set up several of those Chinese accounts. It's a very good idea, and I'll share my stuff to it. But we had an almighty record day yesterday. Those of you that tuned in last night, wow, it was absolutely awesome. We had 4,500 people come through TikTok, and we had a record audience on YouTube, and we made the video together. Did you see that? We did a bit of history. We made a video together. It was really, really cool. McDonald's down slightly. Walmart up. SPCE up 0.64. That's good. That's really good for SPCE. Ford is up as well, 0.86. Rolls-Royce up 4.5%. Every day now we jump like big numbers every day. Look at this. The past month we're up 5%. Look at it. Over the last 3 months we're up 3%. We're all starting to see a trend now. Every day. Look at that. That past week, 11% in a week. Really, really good. So there we go. Harpoon Therapeutics. Oh, fantastic. Finally up 2.63. Lucid, we're just 21 minutes away. I've decided to invest in Lucid. I believe it's got some way to go. And Bitcoin is doing well now. So we've got some people on TikTok now. If you had 500 to invest right now, what would you do? And same to 5,000. Well, that's exactly what I have done. This is my portfolio. I've grown my portfolio from $5,000 to 52 in fact. It dropped back a bit over the last couple of weeks, but now we're seeing a recovery. So that's exactly what I have done. And if you come over to YouTube, I will share with you my full portfolio and my actual money. You can't see it right now. Everybody on YouTube can see it. If you click the profile link right here, click the YouTube icon, come right in. I will share with you my actual portfolio, my actual money that's actually in my portfolio for real. I do something very unique here on YouTube. And we've got a great team of investors. In the live chat, you can ask that very question too, and we'll share it with you. Right, so let's get down to it. We've got 20 minutes to go. I've just invested in Lucid, just under $1,000. We're seeing a massive pump here this morning, up 1.94%. Right, let me tell you. I'll flip to YouTube now. So interesting. Thank you, Scouse. Gotta be from Liverpool, right? Let me grab a cup of tea quickly. Okay, we're now up to 12 likes. That's great. So early in the morning, we're doing really well. Right, let's look at our portfolio. Up 0.79%. We nearly hit 48 again. So watching Lucid. We're up 3.36%. So I'm at 1% right now. And where's this going to go? Where's it going to go? Rolls-Royce, everything is now up. This is great. So we've got 15 minutes to talk about Bitcoin. Why is it recovered and where is it going and what happened? Did I sell anything? No, I didn't. Look at my position here. My position here, I didn't sell anything at all. I'm up 26% on Bitcoin. Let me tell you exactly what's happened. I did some research over the night and I'm going to share that with you. If you're over on TikTok right now, click the profile link here, click the YouTube link right behind there and jump into YouTube. And I will share with you on the screen what's happened to Bitcoin, where it's going and everything. All right? And why I'm so bullish about the whole market. In fact, someone asked me yesterday, are you bullish? And I said, yeah, I'm bullish on what I invest in, because what I invest in, I understand. So, yes, I'm always bullish on what I'm investing in. I wouldn't invest it in otherwise. All right, so if you've just come into the show, click subscribe and ring the bell. And give us a thumbs up. Mr. Love would appreciate that very much indeed. Okay, we're just 16 minutes away from the open. We're in pre-hours this morning, and Lucid is still moving up. I'm at 1% now, my investment. I've just bought 26 shares of it, and I've used my buying power, and I'm very happy to do so because I've done some research overnight, and I want to be in on it. Rolls-Royce up 4.58, Ford up as well. Virgin Galactic up 0.64. These are all my top shares. Bill, Alicia, welcome. Martin Redding's here this morning. Yep, Lucid's up. Martin, are you in Lucid? I wasn't going to spend my buying power, you remember, but I think I can make my money on it very quickly, actually. And I'll tell you why I've bought it now, because a devaluation is down the line. So to avoid that big drop when it comes, buy in now, and then that'll absorb that. It won't matter. It won't bother you, where it did with Virgin Galactic. Look at all these shares are up. It's absolutely fantastic. Apple up 0.50. Yes, I'm up 16% to date. Good for you, Martin. How much have you got in there? I've just got back in again. And I'm up only up 1%, obviously. I sold out, but I'm back in again. Very excited to be in it again. It's just been one almighty week. 43% this week. So better late than never, right, guys? Bitcoin in the last hour is at 1.29, 1.50 there to get today. 65 shares of Lucid. Oh, great. I've only got a third of that then. I've got 26, but just over a third of what you've got there. Right, very quickly, because we've got 15 minutes, I'm going to tell you. You know, I always said to you on YouTube, people come in because they find me and they want to be part of the show, and they're always nice. And over there on TikTok, they just kind of like, TikTok will show everybody, and I get people have a go at me and stuff like that. And this morning is no difference. I've had someone come in and call me bold. There we go, lovely. The abuse has already started on TikTok. Welcome, thank you very much for your abuse. I love it. Welcome. I welcome everybody. You can abuse me as much as you like. It just makes me smile. Lucid for me is a long term. Yes, it is. I think it is a long term play. I want to be in on it now. I've done some research overnight, and I want to be back in. So I am. Right, what happened with Bitcoin? Because we've got 15 minutes, I can share it with you. I did some research over the night. Why did Bitcoin drop? Why did Bitcoin fall off like a cliff? I know exactly why, and I'm going to tell you right now. So when Bitcoin was introduced to El Salvador, a lot of people who do not understand what Bitcoin is, do not understand its value, do not understand the future of it, bought in quick get rich scheme. Too many people do that. Buy into a get rich quick scheme. Bought in, saw it drop, panicked, and sold. How do we know this? Everything on the blockchain is recorded. We see who buys it, where it's going, how much is there, what wallets are created, when the wallets were created, so on and so forth, right? That's what makes it so wonderful. It's not like cash, which can disappear and be buried in the garden, right? This is why it's so secure, why Bitcoin I am so bullish on full-time, permanently, long-term. It's why this is my position. You can't see it on TikTok. If you click the profile here, come into YouTube, the link's right behind the icon here. You will see my actual position and what I'm sharing with you right now. So over the last week, 99%, over 90%, I apologize, over 90% of the Bitcoin sold was from wallets created within a week. Within a week, over 90% of the Bitcoin sold over the last week was sold with wallets that are only a week old. That tells you everything. People bought in, thought, let's get rich. I want to buy some Bitcoin. Price dropped. They sold. They got wrecked. They lost money. I hope there wasn't leveraged. I hope there wasn't using margin. And then what happened? The whales are buying it back up. The whales are the guys who buy millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. That's what's been happening ever since Bitcoin was created. That will keep happening. That's what happens with the stock market. That's what happens with everybody who invests. They don't understand it and they get wrecked. So that's what's happened. And the beautiful thing about it is all that information is verifiable. You can see it. You can check it for yourself. So that's exactly why I've not sold my Bitcoin, and I won't sell my Bitcoin. I will sell it at profits along the way, take some money, of course I will. But have I panic sold? No, not at all. I haven't sold any since it's dropped. Here's my position, and now it's going back up again. And it will go to 100,000 by the end of the year. I'm very, very sure of that. Eco, is that a tweed vest? I like it. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, I think it probably is. Over there on TikTok, if you want to join me, click the profile link and come into YouTube. The YouTube link is right behind there, and you'll see my trading screens and what I've just invested in. Right, the bell is just 12 minutes away, 11 and a half now, and we're up 0.71. Lucid, let's have a look at it. I'm just on the money right now. Let's see where it goes. I'm very bullish with Lucid this morning. It could drop back before it goes up. That you know, that could easily happen. But I won't sell. I will leave my money right there because it's going to continue to grow. But we've had a one almighty week, and people will take profits. People will take profits, which means the shares will drop, which means I could be out of the money for a while because I've just bought in at the end of a week of 42%, nearly 43% in fact. So that could easily happen. And if that happens, that's fine. I, of course, wouldn't want that to happen, but that could easily happen. So there we go. Right. We've got just 10 minutes to go, and let's see what happens. Let's go across my shares. If anyone's now... Sava is on the move. Hi, all Muzanella. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you ever so much, everybody who joined in my whatchamacallit video last night that I made. Did you see it? We had a bit of history last night, and we recorded a record crowd, over 4,000 people on TikTok. We had a viral video on TikTok, and it really was quite cool. And we had everybody coming in, and I mentioned everyone's name in this song. So I'm going to give you the link to the video in case you've not seen it yet. All right, I'm going to give you the link. You may not have seen this video. If you have, that's great. Here we go. Let me just give it to you in the link. Hang on. Let me just stop that. We don't want to play that right now. All right. Okay. Come back to here. Let me go into the live chat for you and give you the link. Here it is. Everybody, check this video out at some point today. Have some fun with that. Leave a comment below. Be part of history. The 4,000 people came through TikTok, and I tried to mention everyone's name. I didn't obviously do 4,000 names, but I tried to, all the names that were in. And what we're going to do on Friday, this is really exciting. On Friday, we are going to do a similar thing, but we're going to have a Zoom link, and I'm going to record everybody on the Zoom call. So hundreds of people can call in live into the show on Friday and be on the screen via Zoom. And I'm going to record it and create a video for everyone that everyone can be in. Just a 3-minute video for everyone to be in. That's on the Friday show, so make sure you tune in. All right, we've got 9 minutes to go. As expected, it's just dropped back a little bit. That's always going to happen. We've had a bit of a surge, and now we're seeing a bit of a sell-off. Of course, people want to make money. It's fair enough. They want to make money at my loss right now, I'm sure, because I just bought in at a high right now on Lucid, and I'm sure somebody will want to sell off and take money from me, and that's fine. That's how it works. But still up. Everything's still moving upwards. Still expecting a very good end to the year. 11% up. 11% possibly up by the end of the year. So very, very bullish for the rest of the year. Bullish on the markets that I'm in, the things that I'm invested in. All right. So 8 minutes to go. Watching everything now. I'm so pleased that Harpoon's moving up. Still a long way from the money though. But Lucid just, I'm still up. But I don't expect it to hold there. That could easily drop. Why did I buy rather than wait to see this a dip? When I've done my figures, and it could easily happen, and I could have bought it cheaper. Of course, I could have bought it cheaper. I mean, 40% earlier in the week. Of course, I could have bought it cheaper. But I see a lot more upside than downside. And yes, it could drop, but that'll just be a way for people to take profits and get back in again and bring it up. This stock is going to go up. I can see that now, so I want to be in on it. So even though it might drop, I'll stay in it. And what I'll probably do is buy more, like I did last time. If it drops, I'll take profits from something else. That's kind of what I'll probably do. So there we go. We're looking for 7 minutes now for the bell, and I do expect quite a volatile opening today, Wednesday, September the 22nd. We've got 9 people now watching me over there on TikTok. TikTok notice. Please restart the live. Why is it saying that? Why am I getting that? Wake up before it's too late. TikTok notice. Please restart the live. Don't know why I'm getting that. Oh, ignore it. Yeah, I've been getting that. I restarted it yesterday. Is that like a joke? Is there people coming in? I get such silly people. In fact, if you're not one of those silly people, we're investing live on the screen now. You got literally 6 minutes to see what I'm trading on and see my real money. What I suggest you do, real traders, real people who want to actually see my real money, what I'm trading on, and talk to a great team of people here in the live chat. Just click here, and behind the icon is my YouTube link. Come into YouTube, and then I can share my trading screens. You can't see that on TikTok. You miss all of that. If you come on into YouTube, you can actually see my trading screen, and I'll share with you why I'm in Bitcoin, what I've just bought with Lucid, how much I've got. You'll see me trade live. You'll see the trading screens. What I do, unlike BitBoy and George and so on, I don't talk about what I'm investing in. I actually show you and buy it on air live with you, and share my actual bank account, the actual savings I've got. So if you want to be part of that and you want to talk to my team, click the profile link right here and come into YouTube. The link is right behind. It takes you 3 seconds and you will be part of my live show and see what's going on. All right, here we go. So let's go back to it. We got just 4.5 minutes. Bitcoin is still up, but just dropping back slightly. getting all those people who still do not understand it, who've bought more Bitcoin. Oh, it's going up a little bit now. Oh, now I'll sell. And down it goes again, and the whales buy some more. And all that is verifiable, as we've explained. All of that is verifiable. If you go on the blockchain, you can see that over 90% of all the Bitcoin sold in the last week has been people who have just created their wallets, brand new wallets. The whales aren't selling. I'm not selling. All right, okay, let's have a look. Oh, Lucid is still moving up. That's a nice surprise. I was expecting Lucid to drop back. I thought it could easily drop back. It could, but it's very, very strong. Very, very strong, and I'm glad I'm in it. Sava is on the move, Muznella said. Yes, indeed. It's not something I'm in, as you all know. All right, we've got a great crowd. Thank you for following me on TikTok. Here we go. We've got just 3 minutes to go now before the bell goes. Keep an eye on VIXY. If it hits $21, I am buying back. I am buying back in the shares I hold Monday. Keep an eye on, remember, VIXY goes up when the market goes down. So keep an eye on VIXY. If it hits 21, I am buying back in the shares I sold on Monday. There we go. Let's open that up. We've got time. We've got time to do that quickly for Martyn. VIXY. This is a top tip. This is what Martyn does. Martyn, and again, you can't see that. If you want to see what I'm doing right now on TikTok, click the profile. YouTube link is right behind there, and you can see it. Right. So Martyn, it's down 2% today because the market's up. This is what Martyn does. This is really good. I'm gonna add this. At some point, I'm gonna get into this because this is I'm watching it every day, and I'm learning a lot here from this. This is like an insurance policy. It's really great. If it gets back to 21, because as the market goes up, this will drop. He will buy back in again, always covering himself. It's fantastic. Really seems to work. I've been watching it every day. Right, so 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes. Let's go over to the live tab now and get ready for a volatile opening. Will my... right, we are up today at 0.61 on the chart, and we're live right now, and just up on the hour. Let's keep it live there. Right, we've got just a minute to go, and we're still up on Lucid pre-hours, pre-market. I'm at 1.21. There could be a sell-off, and I will be looking to invest more. If that happens, I will be looking to invest more. I could take some money off the table. Look, I've got a lot of profit in Tesla, and this is in fact what I'll probably do. Tesla is on a 3-month high. Yep, I'm on nearly an all-time high right now for Tesla. So I could take some profits off the table and put into Lucid. That might be what I do. All right, here we go. 30 seconds to go. Let's watch it. Let's see if we get a pop. If it drops, I'll jump back in with some profits from somewhere. This is going to be an interesting morning. I mean, I love days like this. We're watching VIXY. Right, here we go. 10 seconds now before the bell. This is great. Let's keep an eye. This will be the most volatile stock, so I'll look at it. 3, 2, 1, here we go. I sold 30% of my position on Monday. I made 20% on the shares. Remember, I dollar cost average. That's right. Okay, here we go. We're now into the opening hours. What's going to happen? We'll ring the bell 4 times. Why 4 times? Because it's my show and I like 4. No particular reason. All right. Okay, there we go. Nothing happening at the moment. Give it a few seconds. Give it a few seconds. Right. Oh, there we go. Lucid now up 5%. Look at that. Straight out of the gate. Straight out of the gate. We're up. We're flying. This is great. That doesn't normally happen. I have to be honest. It doesn't normally happen that I make money that easily and that quickly. That is great. Lucid Group. flying out of the gate. Look at that, up 5%, up 5 and 5.1, 5.15. 5% right now. There will be some profits taken, I'm sure. I would expect that to drop back, and if it does, that's fine. Let me look for some profits. Harpoon Therapeutics dropped back. Rolls-Royce up 4.58. Ford Motor Company up 1.68. I'm not yet in the money, but we're heading towards it. Virgin Galactic moving upwards, 0.60. Great. Walmart just down slightly. I've got profits in all these shares now. McDonald's, Microsoft up 0.68. Google is up 0.11. VTI, the overall ETF for me, is up 0.5. Disney is up 0.8. AT&T is up 0.61. Coca-Cola up 0.35. Apple up 0.51. Facebook down very, very slightly. Tesla, let's have a look. Tesla has edged back a little bit. Should I take some profits from Tesla? See a slight downward trend. Let me sell some Tesla. Let me sell one share of Tesla. Review order. Sell one share of Tesla. Sell. Yeah, boom, done. Can continue. Yes. Oh, why do you keep doing this to me? Checking my bloody security. Damn it. This is annoying. My security is being double checked today. I can live with that. Done. Okay, done. I just sold one share of Tesla. That's fine. I just made some profit on that, so that's fine. Now return to my buying power once again. And I should see some money in there now. Right, the market has just dropped slightly, but today I'm up still. In my buying power, I've got money again. Yes, I have. Let me return to Lucid. Lucid is now dropping. This is an opportunity to buy. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So let me watch it. Buy shares, and I want to jump on this. So as we fall, I've got, let me have a look. In my buying power, I do have, let's call that $800. Let's call that $800 right now. So I have $800 on hand. So we'll go over to here and we'll type in 50 shares. That's too much. 40 shares, too much. 25 shares. All right, we'll get ready for 20 shares. Drop, 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 drop. Keep on going, keep on going. It's down. We're edging back. We're edging back. Keep on going. Review order. Very volatile this morning. And as it drops, I'm watching it. Oh, sorry, you can't see it. I beg your pardon. There we go. You couldn't see it there for a minute. It's edging back. Review order. Done. Okay. There you are. Now my profit has increased. Keep watching it. Go back to my portfolio. And if we look now in the buying power, I have 200. Let's say we'll call that 200. Let's go back to there. We have a further shares. Let's buy 10. That's too much. So if we go 8, 6. Okay, we'll do 7. Okay, there we go. 7 now. If I see this drop more, I will lower my dollar average. So we're going to keep that there. Right now, that's enough. There we go. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? Let's keep our eye on it. If you're over there on TikTok, I put a very smaller cash into Bitcoin Cash as the crash started. What should I do now? What you should do now is, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you want to see what I'm actually doing, I'd rather, if you're asking my advice, I would prefer for the accuracy and honesty and integrity of all of that is you click the profile link here, and the YouTube link is right behind there. Come into YouTube and I will share with you what I'm doing, so you can actually see how I'm making my money. My portfolio has grown from 5,000 to 51,000 in 5 months. Just dropped back slightly over this correction week, correction month probably. And if you want to ask me for any advice, I want to share accurate information with you. So just click the profile, click the YouTube link, and come on in, and you can actually see my trading screens. You can't see it where you are right now. So there we go. Bitcoin is now up 0.46. Up 1% today, really great. VIXY is going up, which means the market's going down. Martyn talked about this, and there you can see it there. On the day, I'm up 0.5%. It's fine. Amazon dropping slightly, but still up today. Johnson & Johnson's up. SPCE moving up nicely, very, very good. Let's have a look at Lucid now. Lucid Group has just dropped a little bit. I'm still up. It's still up today. I'm down 1.58. We expected this to happen. I've got 7 more shares on hand. Let's just watch it. Bound to be a sell-off. A lot of people have made a lot of money. You don't buy shares just to stick on a shelf. You buy shares to make profit. So what's happening now is people are buying, people have made a lot of money this morning and now they're selling off. First half an hour of the market, very volatile. A lot of people want to do their trading in the first half hour and go and sit on the beach. That's absolutely fine. And that's what happens all the time. A guy named Charlie, hi mate, just coming from TikTok. I was asking you about Bitcoin Cash. Wonderful stuff. All right, welcome. Right, we've got a new person to the chat. Right, everybody, Alicia, Patricia from Italy, our ladies from Italy, Martin from the US, we've got Bill from Canada, myself, I'm from the UK, and based here in Texas. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, a guy named Charlie, lovely to have you here. Let's give a guy named Charlie a welcome to the party. He's asking a specific question, which I'm going to attempt to answer right now. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified, and help our channel grow by giving us a thumbs up right there, and that will help YouTube. This is only a new channel. We've only been going 7 weeks, and we're nearly at 1,500 subscribers, and just from 0 to 5 in 7 weeks. So we've got a great community here who support each other. Right, you asked a specific question. Is that your name, Charlie? Where in the world are you from? What country are you from? Let's give him a big welcome, everybody. Let's welcome him in. As Lucid drops, I'm looking to get a bargain, as you all know. So we expected this. So if it keeps on going down, I'm going to keep waiting. I'm going to sit on the sidelines right now and pick up a bargain as that drops back. Okay. A boy named Sue. he's a guy named Charlie. I love it. Right. Here is my Bitcoin position. All right. This is what I am invested in. This is my overall position. Northeast of England. I'm from Cornwall. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I sold 60 shares on the spike. Put an order to buy back at 20. Making a quick few bucks on the drop back. We'll watch Lucid at the close. Yes. Very, very sensible. I'm watching to see it drop so I can buy back in. I've got 7 shares. Look, you can see just the money I've got left sat there waiting for the drop. And that's exactly what I'm waiting to do. All right. So he's saying, asking about TikTok Cash. What specifically? Right. Well, this is my position. I have what was $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin is the most stable asset ever created, more than gold. It's long term. It's very volatile because it's new. It's like the internet when it first came out. Remember the internet when it first came out? I do. It was all over the place. People didn't understand it. This is what happens. And in the last week alone, 90% of all the Bitcoin sold was by new wallets. And you can see all that because it's all verifiable on the blockchain. Just go and do your research and so on. You asked about what you should do. Right. To full disclosure, I am not a financial advisor. I'm an entertainer. I'm the world piano man. That's my title. And I perform live every day from my TV studio. I'm showing you there right now. And this is how I invest my savings for my future, my pension. And what gives me some kind of credibility, if you like, is this is my real money. This is my real shares. This is my life savings. Okay? I believe in Bitcoin because I've done my research. People that in the last week, 90% of all the purchases in the last week that bought into Bitcoin did not understand it. They're new wallets and they sold because they do not understand it and they got fearful. Don't be one of those people. Do your research, find out how amazing Bitcoin is, how secure Bitcoin is. When you hear all the FUD about the fraud and the FBI seizing Bitcoin, the FBI don't seize Bitcoin. They seize the servers the Bitcoin is sat on when someone does something illegal because they know where it is, which is what makes it secure. You can hide cash in the garden. You certainly can't hide Bitcoin in the garden. Well, technically you could put it on a wallet and then put it in the garden, but we know how much money's on that wallet, even though the wallet is buried in the garden. That's the whole point. That is the whole point of Bitcoin. It's only got 22 million. That'll all be mined in the next couple of years, and then the profits will all be locked in and going to keep going up and up and up because it's scarce. Because it's scarcity. And you can see over the last week, the whales did not sell their Bitcoin. I didn't sell my Bitcoin. The people that sold their Bitcoin are regular guys like you or I that don't understand it. But I do understand it. And I've kept my money in Bitcoin. So there's never a wrong time to buy. It's always a good time to buy. We've now got companies coming online. Bitcoin mining is becoming a mainstream business. We've got one IPOing tomorrow here on Robinhood tomorrow. This one here, Argo. It's a company from England which is already doing really, really well. It's now coming to the US and it's going to IPO tomorrow. And I've got some shares already reserved in it. And this is going to be great. So Bitcoin is very much on the up. There's not a wrong time to buy. Was it better to buy it when it was lower? Well, of course it was. But if you knew that this was going to be 100,000 by the end of the year, would you say it's a bargain today? Well, I would, wouldn't you? So that's very much the way I look at it. So that's why I'm in on Bitcoin, and it doesn't really matter when you buy in. I love your studio. You've done a great job. Well, thank you very much indeed. Yeah, I mean, there's I could show you a bit more if you come into YouTube. You can't actually. Oh, Damien, are you over on YouTube then? Because you can't see it on TikTok. If you want to see my studio, probably got one of the best live studios on YouTube with the cameras and the tracks and the moving heads. If you come over to YouTube now, you'll see it. I'd love to share it with you and talk cameras. That's my passion. But I've seen it several times. Oh, great. Well, thank you very much. Cool. Right. Loose is now down 2.8%. I'm looking to get a bit of a bargain here. I've got my 7 shares on hold, just waiting there. There we go. So VIXY is moving up. That suggests that the market is moving down. I'm a musician and producer. Love watching your lives. Oh, cool. Well, we had a record. What is the name of the website you are using to watch the live shares? This is Robinhood. I would give you a referral link where you get a free stock, but it's not available yet in the UK. But it's Robinhood, robinhood.com. Of course, you can still watch that. Shall I share that with you in the chat? Why not? Here's robinhood.com. There you go. There you go. If you want to follow more of us and more information, we've got a Facebook page. We've got a Facebook group. I'm putting all this in the chat now. We've got a Facebook group. And we've got a Twitter. I'm a Twitter account holder as well. I'm the Day Trader 007 because I'm from the UK, right? Why not? All right. There you go. I'm a musician and producer. Damien, cool. Damien, yesterday, did you see? We had a viral video with 4,000 people in TikTok watching me create a video with the Piano Man, and we got everybody in on the show. And this Friday, we're sharing a Zoom link. And not only see what we did yesterday is I called out everybody's name during the song and made a viral video. Here it is. I'm going to share it with you in the live chat. I can't give it to you on TikTok, but come into YouTube and I've just posted it in the live chat. Everyone check that video out. There it is. But what we're doing on Friday, we're going to do it again on a Zoom call, and I'm going to have everybody singing and dancing on the screens behind me and record that and make a video promoting musicians, artists all over the world. We had 4,000 on TikTok yesterday. It was an amazing moment, and we're going to do it again on Friday. So if you want to be part of that, just hop into YouTube, click the link here, click YouTube, and I've just put the link in the live chat. Right, so where's the market going right now? It's down very slightly. In fact, I'm up 0.34. Even when the market dips, I'm up. Everything's great because I've got a very, very well-structured, diverse portfolio. But don't be put off when I say diverse. That doesn't mean I buy shares in everything. It doesn't mean that at all. It means I have staples like Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla. I'm sharing with you now. Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, Google, Microsoft, McDonald's, Walmart, and so on. And then I go down to my ETS, which invest in space, investing in solar and wind and technologies and future internet, all that kind of great stuff. And then I have dividend stocks as well. So I have a well spread out account, I believe. But am I bullish? I'm bullish on everything I invest in. Even if the market's down, I'm never bearish because I wouldn't be in the market, would I? There we go. Lucid is still dropping. Let's have a look. Down 3%. Is that as low as it's going to go? Are we seeing some resistance? Let's have a look. Let's expand the chart, because I don't expect this to go all the way down anymore. I think those days are gone. The cars are days away from being delivered. So I don't think there's the level 2 chart. I'm just sharing with you there right now. I don't think this is going to keep going down and down and down at all. I think it's going to hit a point, and then people are going to buy back in again, and it's going to go up again. New to trading here, I chucked a bit of money into Shopify, ready for BFCM. Well, Mr. James McManus, how are you? Well, would you like to see my trading screens? See what I've got? I built this portfolio from 5,000 to 52,000 in 5 months. Live here on the show. Everyone saw it, sees me do it all the time. Do you want to come in and see what I'm actually doing? Click the profile here. Right behind my icon is a YouTube link. You can come live into the show, see what I'm actually trading on, and we can discuss that, and you can share and discuss with some very successful traders here in my live chat on YouTube. There we go. It looks, look at that. Looks like a bit of a bottom there for bit of resistance. Look, it doesn't want to go any lower. So that's not bad. I could lower my dollar average with those 7 shares, or just sit on the sidelines. I'm going to stay where I am. Atlas, Rolls-Royce free cash flow is very sporadic. Revenue is same so far as last year, although they found profitability this past half. FCF is still down though. Analysts don't have recovery yet. No, but it will come. Rolls-Royce is a long-term play. I mean, look at it. Every day it's up. Every day it's up. I'm at 22% now. It's a long-term play. I believe that Rolls-Royce, no one cares, Martin. What does no one care about Lima 1875? People who always say horrible things on TikTok are people who never have real names. They never come into YouTube. They just say horrible stuff. It's fine. It used to hurt me. It did. I'm a human being, and I don't understand why anyone would come into your channel and have a go at you. Set up your own channel. I don't know. But it's fine. You can say what you like about me now. It doesn't bother me anymore because I'm having I'm having success with financials, and my friends are having success, and we're all sharing it and all growing together. If you don't care, that's absolutely fine by me. I'm not bothered. Leave the negative ones to it, not willing to learn. Indeed, James, let them get on with it. Silly buggers, who cares? But that's great though, James. That's how we make money. The people that moan and cuss and the negative, they just want quick get rich quick schemes. They buy into stuff, they sell out, they don't know what they're doing. That's how we make money. That's how we make money. No one makes money on stocks and shares unless people sell out. That's how it works. So it's actually brilliant. Check out LVMUY. You can or LMV if you can get it. Stronger fundamentally and undervalued in my opinion. Do you go long or anything? I don't do any options trading. I don't predict the future at all. What I do is research all my stocks. I learn what they're all about. I know I believe in the future. I day trade all the time. I swing trade all the time. And I also long-term invest as well. I'm just sharing with you the view that I get looking at you. That's the view I get looking at you from the back of my studio. Is that pretty cool or what? I just wanted to share that with you. I do like sharing that screen. Look at Rolls Royce. Up again. Leave the negative ones to it. I'm going to share that on the screen. James, brilliant. Right, if you've just come over from TikTok and you want to be part of our team and you want to grow with us all, look at Rolls Royce flying out the gate. If you're with us this morning, there's James on the screen. Where you from, James? Please give us a thumbs up. Help us grow on YouTube. We are a brand new channel, 7 weeks old, and nearly 1,500 subscribers from zero in 7 weeks because we've got the best team and we're all growing together. Look at this. Give us a thumbs up. We want to try and get a record today. 20. Oh, I'm a Man United fan. I'm from Cornwall, based here in Texas. There's a mix for you. But subscribe and ring the bell, guys, once you've done that. And give us a thumbs up. If we can get to 20 likes, that would be amazing. There we go. There's Manchester in the UK. Can all my team, all my regular guys, can you welcome in? We've got Bill here from Canada and all my team. Welcome our new members. We've got James McManus here. He's from the UK. Let's go back over to the live portfolio again. Let's have a look. Now we're recovering. Lucid now. It's hit a bottom. There we go. Look at that. It's. I'm going to keep some money on the side. I'm not going to buy back in case that does continue to drop, but it's looking pretty good. Rolls Royce, absolutely fantastic. Hello, James. Welcome, James. SPCE is moving up as well. Best position, 12% down is my best position. Remember, it got devalued. My stock is still worth the same. It just got devalued. What does that mean? They put the money into the business. They sold 500 million worth of shares to build more ships. You know what that means? In a week or so's time, maybe 2 weeks, when the test flight happens, this is going to 40. And I'm going with it, and I will sell at 40. I will virtually double my money. I'll make 6 grand, and then I'll have 6 grand on hand for Rivian, the biggest market, the biggest IPO in history. Sorry, the biggest IPO in a decade is just a month away. There we go. My portfolio is now up 0.65. Overall, though, my record was here. I was 52. I took money out, 13% up. I'm down. I'm not there right now. We dropped a lot, but I managed to buy in all these dips, so it's all good news. If anybody wants me to share any one of my stocks, my shares, I'll happily do it for anyone. Just let me know, and I'll do it. If you've just joined me this morning, thank you very much indeed. We got an army of. Should I keep my XRP VeChain and ADA. I'll be honest with you, I do not know about it, and someone had a go at me yesterday saying, I thought you were an expert on crypto. Not an expert on crypto. I have invested in Bitcoin, and I understand Bitcoin, and I'm focused on one thing. And I'm focused on the best cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. But I don't know about XRP. I've not researched it, so I don't comment on it. I don't see any need for any other coin. I don't. I simply don't. I'm focused. I have my money invested in Bitcoin. I would be in Ethereum as well. I just don't have any money in it currently. But there we go. Let's have a look. This was the there we go. It did hit a bottom. Look at that. It's bouncing back. This is wonderful news if you've invested this morning in Lucid. This is the competition to Tesla. It's now got a car that does over 500 miles range. It's not going to be a Tesla killer. It's going to be an alternative. Apple, Android. Everyone needs 2, maybe 3, because not everybody wants to drive around in the same car, right? But this is an amazing car. I'm in it. It's going to be a long-term play, and it's been up 40% this week. Great. James said, let me share James' comment on the screen. We got 14 likes now. Has everybody smashed the like button? Come on, guys. Everyone smash the like button. Help us out. The reason why I want you to smash the like button is I want YouTube to promote the video so more people come into our chat so we can learn from more people. That's what this group is about. If you want to learn, share, be open and honest, that's what this channel is about. Come on into our channel and give us a thumbs up. Let's get up to 15 likes. Let me share your comment, Martyn. I personally sold all of my cryptos last month as I had made a profit that I was comfortable with, buying back in over the holidays when there's an expected dip. Fair enough, Martyn. There's never a wrong time to buy Bitcoin, if I'm honest, because Bitcoin will be here forever. It's like the internet, be here forever. So if you buy it 50, is that a bad time when you could have bought it 1,000 or 2,000 or 20,000? No, because it's going to go to 100,000. The biggest mortgage company now in the United States takes Bitcoin. You can buy a house with Bitcoin. The biggest. It's called wholesale mortgage. You can buy a house with Bitcoin. So there's not a wrong time to buy. It's always the right time to buy. And once the mining is all done and all the 22 million is mined, the price will go up and up and up. But you have to understand it. So I'm very pleased you sold. That was the right thing to do. You made some money. Remember, we only invest to make money. We don't invest just to have a number on a screen. We invest to make money. So never feel bad about taking profits. And I learned that from Martyn. Martyn and James taught me that lesson. So thank you very much indeed. And there we go. Watching Lucid now go back up again. Bitcoin is now moving up. There we go. Look at that. This is a great day for Bitcoin today. VIXY is going down, which means the market is going to pop up. And it is. Bitcoin is great. Hold on value. Some of the altcoins will be used for daily use, banking, and so on. Yes, they will. But Bitcoin with the new Lightning put on top will do all of that. But it's still the most secure asset you can invest in. More than gold, more than real estate, and so on. And I just want to back this up with some knowledge, right? 90% of all the Bitcoin sold last week, which caused this crash, was sold by wallets that were only a week old. So it's people who don't know what they're doing, who sold out, and so on and so forth. SDC not looking the best. SDC, should we have a look at it for you? SDC, Smile Direct Club. Is this what you're invested in? No, I don't know anything about this one. Would you like us to research it? Caden Youngquist is here. He joined us the other day. Right, everyone, smash the like button. You're being lazy today. We've got to grow this channel because we want more people to come into the chat so we can learn from more people. So your ticket price to this show, if you like, is smashing the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. All right, guys, Do the right thing. We're a community here, and we got to work together to grow, and that's exactly what we're doing. So smash the like button, help me out, and there we go. This is the view. This is the view I get of you guys. This is what I see of you. I like sharing this view with you. Can you have a look at Shopify? If you think it'd be great to get your... Okay, I will have a look at it. Let me do that for you now. Shopify. Okay, let me go over to it right now. It might not be in my... yes, it is. It is in my... it is in Robinhood. Doing very well today. Let me have a look at it. Shopify. Right, let's have a look. It's been around for quite a while. In fact, it's been around for, quite a while. Let's have a look. Let's go into more detail for you. Let's have a look. When did this come out? It doesn't give me a date. Founded 2004, so 17 years. Great. Very low volume. Very, very low volume. I can see that there, 781,000. Very, very low volume. So very difficult to get out of it and make money with it right now. Not a lot of people are interested in it. I don't like things that have low volume. It's volatile. Not a lot going on. But having said that, it's had some good growth over the last 5 years. It certainly has, over 3,000. Okay, what I'll do is I'll put it on my list to research. I'll research overnight because you may have brought something to my attention that I need to invest in. I would also look at Overstock, also OSTK, as another in that field. I'm starting to get in it. All right, let's have a look at that as well. Lucid just sitting around that position there. Seems to be holding pretty firmly around that position now. People coming back into the market, thought that was going to happen. Rolls-Royce still moving up, 2.22. Absolutely great. Really, really great. Bitcoin is now moving up nicely as well. Right, at this point in the show, right, we're 14 likes now. Smash the like button and help us out. All right. Now then, at this point in the show, we like to have a competition and find out who has done the best today. Who is the best day trader? Every day we have a competition, right? I am up 0.67. Can everybody get their scores on the screen? Here's my score. I'm up 0.66, all right? So have I won this morning? Has anybody beaten me? Go to your main portfolio on the day, not individual stocks, your main portfolio on the day, and tell me where you are at. All right? And let's see. I've got $2,000. What should I invest in? I'm in ADA, DOT, Link, and Ethereum. Smith, come over to YouTube and I'll share with you and show you what I'm actually doing. The link to YouTube is right behind this profile on TikTok. Come on in if you want to ask specific questions. I want to share with you very accurate, honest, open details that aren't influenced by anything. They're my real money, my real shares. I'm doing it for real. So rather than just TikTok and stuff, come over and I'll share with you exactly what I'm doing. Martyn is up 0.12. So I beat Martyn. Commiserations, Martyn. Not today. What about anybody else? Is anybody else up more than 0.69? Or am I the winner today? Am I the winner? Remember, the competition is for the whole day. It's not just for the morning. It's for the whole days. All right. So let's just get that straight. If I win now, I don't win the competition. It's the end of the day that's important. So do come back by the end of the day, and let's see who wins. I'm up 0.71 now. I'm flying. This is really, really great. And despite some of the markets being down, I'm still up. Think you take your crown. Is that it? No one beating me today? Come on. Is that it? All right. I'll call it. I'll call it then. It looks like I won today. I won today, so I'll give myself a big air horn. There we go. Yeah, congratulations to me. I like it when someone else wins. I'm up $540 on 2 trades. The Master Obey. Great stuff. That's a great name. The Master Obey. Benjamin, thanks for the follow. Thank you very much indeed. If you're over on TikTok and you want your comment to get to the top and you want to support my channel as well, tap the screen as fast as you can, like that. Go diddle-diddle-diddle with your finger as fast as you can. That promotes my channel, gets more people to watch. Thank you very much, James. Congratulations, Martin. James, Alicia, and Patricia are our ladies from Italy. They join us every morning, and they are wonderful supporters to the channel. And, right, we've only got a few minutes to go. So at this point in the show, we cover some breaking news. And the news I brought to you this morning was we've got more Bitcoin mining farms coming out. Of course, we've got the Argo blockchain tomorrow coming out as an IPO. It's going to be very interesting. I've got a share in that. It did very well in England. I expect it to do even better in the US because blockchain now is much more accepted, much more going on with it, and the cost of electricity is cheaper in the US, so they will stand to make more profits because one of the biggest expenses of being a crypto miner is the cost of electricity. So they're going to do very well, and you see Bitcoin surging. Bitcoin is about a week away, 2 weeks away from a big upswing to 100,000. So that's why I've got 16% of my portfolio in it, and it's underpinning my my portfolio. Right, James, I've got something for you right now. Check out that video in the live chat. See it? Just copy that into a browser somewhere and watch it after the show. When's your Riven IPO? Oh yes, late October, November. We don't know. It's going to be the biggest IPO of a decade. I'm going to be all over it. I plan on investing $5,000 in it. Long-term play. It will not be a Tesla killer, but what it will be is a run alongside it with Rivian. Talking of Virgin Galactic, where are they? Sorry, not Virgin Galactic. Tesla. Where are they today? They're pretty flat right now. I could actually. We are at an all-time high right now for Tesla. I'm going to sell a share of Tesla. I'm going to sell a share of Tesla right now. I'm going to take some profit off the table. Review order and sell a share. This is how I do it. See it there? Look. I'm going to sell one share right now. Review order and sell. Done. There we go. I've just taken some profits. Always take profits. That's what we do it for, right? And if I go back to my portfolio now has $1,000 in it. All right. So Lucid's got a bit of a dip. It's not enough to buy back though. Robinhood better than trading 212. Yeah, I love Robinhood. Absolutely fantastic. From Algeria, Barb. Hello there. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Yeah, I love Robinhood. It's fantastic. It enables me to make money all the time. I used to invest, James, in the UK with Barclays Bank, and every time I made a trade, they charged me £5 to buy and sell, and the only people that ever made any money was Barclays Bank. I traded for years like that. You can't have Robinhood, I'm afraid, in the UK. It's not available right now. It's coming, but it's not available right now. I wish you could, because I would share with you my referral link, and we'd both get a free stock for you doing it. But unfortunately, not right now. Anyway, we've only got 14 likes. Martin, gotta go. Take care, mate. Thank you ever so much for being here. Thank you for giving me those few inside tips. Really, really great. I'll be checking out those stocks later on. Thanks for that. See you later on. Right, we've only got 14 likes. Has everybody hit the like button? We had 20 yesterday, and we've got more people in the show today. So I want to get some more likes. Now, just as we come to the end of the show, because I've only got a few minutes to go, I want to share something with you. How I made all this money, which I now invest in, is from being the World Piano Man. I have the title of World Piano Man. I've performed in 195 countries, and every day I go live and do live concerts, and tens of thousands of people from TikTok and YouTube and Facebook and so on join me, and we record them, and they're all part of my show. We made a viral video yesterday, and I gave you the link, James. So if you like music, and at the end of the day you like to have a beer and celebrate or commiserate your losses and profits throughout the day on the Day Trader, at the end of the day we do this. So if you go into the Day Trader where you are right now, on TikTok, you need to click the profile and click the YouTube link to learn all this. So if you want to be in on my video, you want to be involved, and you want me to make you a video for you to keep, come into YouTube right now. The link's behind here. So you're on the Day Trader, right, guys? All my YouTubers, you're on the Day Trader right now. Here you are. Scroll down and find my main channel, the Martyn Lucas channel here. It's a much bigger channel than the Day Trader. Click on that, and you'll see upcoming live stream. Oops, click on it. All right, there's the Martyn Lucas channel, and there's the upcoming live streams. And this is a party we have every day. This is the party, and it'll tell you in your time zone every day what we do, and we go live. And on Friday we're doing a special Billy Joel versus Elton John, live from my studio here. And what we're going to do is record all of you on the screen. Oh, I'm talking of Elton John. We've got Sam Hughes, Elton John tribute act. He's here today. Just come on into the show. Great stuff. So if you want to be live on the show, and have some fun with everybody, join us every weekday. But Friday, we're going to share live on the show a Zoom link, and I'm going to record these screens. Let me show you how I record the screens, right? This is what it looks like. All right. These are the screens that I record. See that? Look. You'll be on that screen. This will be you. This will be you here as I'm singing, and you'll be singing and dancing all over this screen. All right? So if you want to get famous and promote something or have a bit of fun, I don't know, maybe you're a business and you want to wear a T-shirt and say, hey, I work for, I don't know, Barclays Bank. We just mentioned them, didn't we? You can, and I help and promote everybody. Do you like the movie Shrek? My friends called me weird because I like Shrek and it makes me feel sad. Hello, Tyler. Do I like the film Shrek? Yeah, I do. Steady on, donkey. Steady on. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Love it. Love Shrek. Thanks for being here. There you go. So if you want to be part of that, I'm still standing, he says. If you want to be part of that viral video on Friday, be in the live show, and I'm going to share a Zoom link, and everyone can call in and be live together, singing, dancing, playing on a viral video that I'm going to make on Friday. Very, very, very excited about it. It's going to be really great. Lucid just dropping a bit more. This could be a great opportunity for me to buy some more. So I'm looking right now. Let's see how far down it goes. Maybe I'll come on your show all dressed up there. That'd be great. That'd be great on Friday. Do it all dressed up. And I'll have you on the big screen. All right? That'd be good. Let's have a look at SPCE. This is great. Up today. Nearly 13% down now. This is the best position I've been in. Remember, it got devalued, so it's a great position. Great position. This is going to be 40 in a couple of weeks. BNB prediction. I've not researched it enough, not studied BNB enough, so I don't know. That's the honest answer. There you go. That's a simple answer. Giving you an honest answer over there on TikTok. All right, we're doing really well today. Very, very excited. People say, are you always bullish? Yes, Always. There's never a bear market in my world. And you might go, am I crazy? Of course I'm not crazy. I've researched everything I'm invested in. If it drops for a while, that's okay. That's what the market does, because it's a lot of things are long term. So would I invest in anything that I thought long term or before I sold it would go down? No, otherwise I wouldn't invest in it. So I'm never bearish. Outside influences like what's happening in China now affect the market. That just gives me an opportunity to buy more. I don't see it as a negative or a bearish situation or a bad situation. Bearish is when you invest in something you don't understand and the price drops and then you fear. That's bearish. I'd be it's like being chased by a bloody bear, isn't it? There you go. Look at this now. My buying power is up to $1,000 and my up today 0.74. This is great, and we've grown from 5,000 to 52,000 in 5 months. I've sold a lot of my positions. This is all cash right now. You haven't lost if your money, if you absolutely, James, quote of the day. I'm going to use that. You haven't lost any money if you're in the market. No, you just own something which is currently worth less. And absolutely right. Lucid, for example, amazing company, have now got one of the best electric cars, has 500-mile range. It's absolutely fantastic. The cars are just a few weeks away from being delivered. They've got, is it 10,000 or 100,000? I can't remember, but it's a good number. Pre-orders for a startup company. Absolutely fantastic. The cars are great. I've seen them. The videos are fantastic. The tests are going amazing. And right now, huge opportunities to get into Lucid. Just discovered you. Are you mostly in stocks or crypto? Both. Both. Cymru 13. Now, only an Englishman would know that, right? Cymru. Got to be from Wales, right? Now you're one of my friends, right? So I want to do something special for you. And if you click the profile link right here, see it just here, right behind there is the YouTube link. Come into YouTube. And the reason why I say that is I want to share with you on the screen my actual trades, my actual money, what I've actually got in the bank, what I'm actually investing in. And you can actually see on TikTok, you just get to see my face. You don't get half of it. All right, so just click the profile link here. I use TikTok as an entry ticket. A lot of people on TikTok like to rant and have a go at me, but the real investors and people who actually want to trade and see how I've grown my money from 5,000 to 52 in 5 months for real, in front of all of you live on the show, they come into YouTube. So if you want to be part of it, from Cymru, from Wales, you've got to be, right? Click the profile link here. The YouTube link is right behind. Come on in. Right, let's go back to the shares. We've only got a few minutes to go before I got to go. Where am I going? I'm going water aerobics. Got to keep fit, guys. Got to keep fit. After my training, I go and do some exercise, come back, do some more videos. Very, very important. Got to keep fit. Right. You've sold me. I'll check a bit. I'll chuck a bit of money at Lucid. Well, you know, do your research. Muzanella, hey, he's got a new picture. Look at that. Muzanella has got a new picture. Let's share that to everybody. Look at that. Muzanella has changed his picture. The market is looking good today. GSAT. Oh, you in GSAT again. Oh, that's my view of you. I thought I'd share it with you this morning. Shall we have a look at GSAT? GSAT. Oh, shall we go over to it? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at GSAT right now. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, up 4% today. Yes. Had a recovery. Yes, absolutely right. I'm not going to re-enter this market. A lot of money's been made, I'm sure, but I'm not going to re-enter it because I bought in with emotion last time. I didn't understand it. And I bought with emotion, and I'm not doing that again. That was a mistake. I make mistakes. We all make mistakes. But what I try to do is write them down, learn from them, and don't do them again. So I ain't doing it again. I made that mistake. Nothing wrong with GSAT, but I'm just not investing in something which is tied to emotion. There you go. Right. Muzanella, I like the new picture. Let me share it. Look at that. Cool dude with the glasses. Love it. Did our friend from TikTok come over? What is your prediction for Shiba in Inuit? I wouldn't buy in any of it. I don't have a prediction because it's not long term. It's not the future. It's not a future asset like gold or Bitcoin is. I wouldn't invest in it. I wouldn't invest in anything with Dinky Donk, Binky Bonk, Dogecoin. Remember, Elon Musk loves Dogecoin because remember, he's an influencer. He's the biggest influencer in the world, and he plays us all on puppets with strings. And I'm a fan of Elon Musk. Love him, fantastic. I'm all over Tesla. I'm all over what do you call it, SpaceX. But he influences the market and plays around with it. I wouldn't touch anything that's called Binky Bonk, Bonky Bink, Diddly Diddly Boo. You know, Bitcoin is the most secure asset of all time, and that's why I'm in it. Do not buy Shiba. There we go. James McManus has just backed me up. Don't buy Shiba. I wouldn't. Hey, if you back red today at the casino, you can win $1 million. If you buy Shiba today, or Doge, or Binky Bonk, or whatever, you can win money and become a millionaire. I'm not disputing it. And you'll come on in and go, there you go. Brilliant. No, it wasn't. You were lucky, and that's all it was. All right? Is it... Let me put it this way. I often say this, right? My portfolio, 5 to 52,000, taking profits. This is all cash now, right? 5 months. If I took 6 months off and didn't check my account and didn't look at anything, would my account be up in 6 months' time? Or is there a chance it's all gone to zero? Is that the position that you've got with Binky Bonk or Dinky Donk or whatever it is? The answer is no. You'd have to be watching it, right? Because it could go to zero. I could do absolutely nothing with my portfolio as it is balanced and diverse. Bitcoin underpins it. Tesla and growth stocks, as well as my ETFs and my dividend stocks, so on and so forth. I could turn this off for 6 months, come back, and my portfolio would be up 10%. No doubt about it. $5,000 would be $55,000. No doubt about it. Without managing it at all. No doubt about it. If you believe that with crazy meme coins, then fine. Go ahead and do it. But I would suggest you haven't done your research and really found out why you invested in it, other than other people have done it and other people have said they got rich. Remember one thing. All the big YouTubers, BitBoy, George, all of them, they can influence the market because they have 1 million subscribers and more, right? You hear from the people who make money. You never hear from the people who lose all their money. Why? Because they haven't got any success. They can't get their videos out there. No one watches their YouTube channel. No one's following them or supporting them. You never hear about the guy who's lost all his money, right? You only hear about the guy who's making money. So the Binky Bonks, the Dinky Donks, and all the rest of it, those guys, they got wrecked. All the people that in El Salvador who sold all their Bitcoin last week because they didn't understand it. The market crashed. We know it was them. We know it was them because on the blockchain it tells you. It says 90% of all the Bitcoin sold in the last week, last 10 days, has been wallets that are only a week old. So people come in, oh, we can get rich. We can make money. I don't know what Bitcoin is. Don't know how it works. I don't know what, but I'm going to buy it. Oh, now it's gone down. Oh, I'm going to sell because I'm losing money. People like me come in and buy up all the cheap Bitcoin. So do your research. If you really do understand the principles and fundamentals of something, then invest in it. Then you're always bullish, right? And if you can honestly tell me that all those meme coins have a real basis of investment for the future, solid, granite, go down to the center of the earth, reliability. If you can prove that to me, I'll buy some. If anyone can come on the show and tell me that Dogecoin, binky bonk, dinky donk, diddly squat, has got absolute core fundamental value, I will buy some, because I've missed it. Will Bitcoin reach 100,000, 80,000? I believe it will reach 100,000. But anyone who comes on here and tells you, yes, it will on this date, is a liar. Because no one knows, but what we do know is what the value of the asset is to the world going forward as a long-term investment. We know that. We know you can't get any more than 22 million Bitcoin. We know it's secure. We know it's the most secure asset of all time. We know it's scarce. We know 90% of what was sold was people who don't know what they're doing. We know 90% of the coin that's currently owned is by institutions. We know that. Silver or Bitcoin? Easy. Bitcoin. Without doubt. And I ain't just saying it. Look, there's my Bitcoin. I've got all these people watching me on TikTok. They can't see any of it. I could be making all this stuff up. You on YouTube can see, look, there's my Bitcoin, right? There it is. There is my actual Bitcoin. And I invite everybody now on TikTok to click the profile link, click the YouTube link, and come in. If you're serious about investing, I don't want to lose $1. I think $1 is important. I don't lose a single dollar, right? If money is important to you, why are you watching me on TikTok? Come in, talk to the people that are making money live right now in my show. Look at me doing it with my real money. And what do I want from you? Nothing. I'm not selling anything. I don't want you to buy anything. I'm not influencing anything. I'm not trying to get you to sign up to some training scheme, as a lot of these guys on YouTube are. I don't want any of that from you. I just want you to learn as I learned, not from me. I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy on the internet. But this is my real life experiences. Bitcoin's now surging, by the way, up 1.6% today, as I knew it would. Are you streaming YouTube, Facebook? Dino, I'm actually streaming in 22 places. I'm on YouTube, several Facebook pages, several profiles, several groups, websites, YouTube, TikTok, all over the place. All right? But to the best place is YouTube, because YouTube suggests the video to people who are looking for this content. TikTok, show everybody, and I've got all sorts of people coming in. In a nutshell, best way to buy a Bitcoin, in a nutshell, Robinhood. And I'll tell you why. And you'll go, oh no, Robinhood's rubbish because you got no wallet. What do you want a wallet for? You want to spend your Bitcoin? No. You invest Bitcoin. Don't need a wallet. By the way, a wallet's coming. We are now, Twitter last night, Vlad Tenev, the CEO of Robinhood, announced that the wallets are coming. But I couldn't care less. I've actually got, where is it? It's in here somewhere. I've got my wallet ready to go. Where did I put that? I put it somewhere. I don't know where it is. That's great, isn't it? All my Bitcoin on a wallet and I don't know where it is. Actually, where is it? Where is my wallet? Where would I put that? All right, I'll find it later. It's got to be here somewhere, innit? Bloody hell. I've lost my own wallet. Right, that's good. But anyway, yeah, I've got a wallet because I'm going to put all my cash on, all my Bitcoin on a wallet. It's coming out. But yeah, by far, Robinhood, because it's the cheapest way to buy it. Other ways of buying it, there's costs involved. The best value to buy Bitcoin by a long way, and no charges to sell, no charges to buy, is Robinhood. If you are interested, anyone in the US, this is only for people in the US, right? In the live chat now on YouTube, there's my referral link. If you click on that, you get free stock, free money from Robinhood. You can sell it if you want. I'm giving you a free stock. I get one. You get one, but what I do is I will share with you my actual coin, my actual stock that I get for free. I will share with you and show you what I've got. My Lucid investment already up 0.44. There we go. So my friend James from the UK has just has made some money on Lucid. Do expect, he's all excited, look, it's going up. Yeah, I'm really pleased. James come on the show today and he's making money. It's great. But James, do expect Lucid, it could drop a bit more because people have made a lot of money over the last couple of days and will sell out and then they'll buy back. But you got to keep it now. Don't be upset if it drops back down again, okay? How much did you invest? This is how much I invested. I've just bought 46 shares, $1,200, and I've got more waiting to buy when it drops more, because dollar average, right? If this drops today, I'll be watching it throughout the day. If this drops to 24, 23, I will double my investment to $2,000, and then it'll wipe out my average to zero. Well, it'll be down 2% at that point. So that's what I will do. We've got 17 likes now. We've got 1 minute left of the show. If you're over on TikTok and you want to be part of it, click the icon, the YouTube icon right behind here and on TikTok, and you'll come right over and join me. Right, smash the like button. We've got 17 likes. Great. That's above average today. Fantastic. Right, so I've got to get out of here. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for being here. It's been a great day. Claire Barnett Jones. If you had only $100 right now, what would you do with it right now? I'd buy Lucid right now. I'd buy what I'm looking at right now. Claire, thumbs up the video before you go. Subscribe and ring the bell, because I'm only here for another minute now. And I want to connect with you. Where are you from, Claire? Everybody welcome Claire in, the new member of the show. What would I do right now? Let me back it up with facts. Here you go. I grew this portfolio from 5,000. That's all I had. This is all profits now, right? To 52,000. I've taken money out. My all-time high was here at 13%. Remember, the percentages don't really mean anything because I took all the money out, right? I started again. Of course, where are you from? Mezzo-soprano. Mezzo-soprano, you're a singer. I'm a tenor. I've done support voice for Andre Bocelli. I was voted World Piano Man. Let me show you my studio. Oh, we got a singer in the house. Right, this is going to be great. We got something special now for Claire in the dying moments. Yeah, he's early, yeah. I've got to go, but I'm going to share something very quickly with you, Claire. Look, this is my TV studio. This is where I go live every day, right? And we do live concerts here every afternoon. Thousands of people come in and join in, sing with me, be part of my show. We made a viral video yesterday. And let me very quickly then, because I've got to run to water aerobics. All right. If you go on the Day Trader channel where you are right now, scroll down to the Martyn Lucas channel. This is the main one. All right. And you'll hear my Andre Bocelli. I did a viral video, Andre Bocelli, Easter Sunday, a couple of years ago. You know when the COVID thing kicked in Italy? You can see it on my channel. But anyway, scroll down to the Martyn Lucas channel, upcoming live streams. This will show you in your time zone when I'm live later on this afternoon. Okay? Come and join me. I'll give everybody the link right now. There you go. There's the link in the chat. Rashad McCrory is here. We've had a great day. Thank you, Rashad. Rashad from South Africa, I believe, if my memory serves me correctly. It's been a great day today. Doing really, really well. And this was the video we made last night. Let me just get this up on the screen for you. And we invited people from all over the place to... we had 4,000 people watching on TikTok. And on Friday, we're going to do it again, but we're going to share a Zoom link. And everyone is going to be on the screen behind me. All right? So if you want to be in on the video... Yeah, look at Bitcoin surging now. My portfolio is doing great. Look, we're massively up now. This is great. We're doing great. Lucid's holding. That's lovely. SPCE is up. This is great. Rolls Royce is up big time. This is brilliant. We're having a fantastic day. So there we go. New York, living in Ghana. There you go. Lovely to have you here. So, from Africa. Wonderful. But New York, now living in Ghana. Right. So join me live. Lots of musicians around. Great to see. Important for freelancers. Sounds great, Martin. Congratulations. Okay, so I've got to go. Join me later when we do another live. We're going to do another live video and having all of you on the screen. So you will be on the screen. Let me show you how it'll look, right? You will be on the screen like this. All right? If I bring it in, right? You will be on this screen here. You will be here singing and dancing behind me. All right, guys? I pressed the wrong button then because I'm in a rush. I'm trying to connect with Claire Barnett because she's a singer and I love meeting new musicians here on the channel. Right, that's it. Portfolio's on fire. Brilliant day. Very, very excited. Everyone smash the like button. I'm going to end the stream now. I'll see you back later for the closing bell. So at the end of the day, we see our positions, we take some profits, we move things around, and then we get a beer, sit at the piano, and we have our live concert. And it's great. I hope you'll all join me for that. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Be safe wherever you are. Trade sensible. Always invest with your own money. Don't use leverage. Don't borrow money. Do your research. Learn how it works. Everybody wins. All right? Take care of yourselves and each other.